Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a clickable link to your Google Forms. So the first thing you want to do is ensure you head over to your Chrome browser and type in Google Forms, and it will take you to this page, which is the dashboard for your Google Forms. If you're not going to be using your Chrome browser, just head over to your Google Doc and then search down to where you would find Google Forms and you can navigate from there. So this is what my Google Form dashboard looks like. Now, to show you how to add a clickable link to make your work easier on your forms, the first thing you want to do is either start a new form or work with any of the recent templates you have. For this video, I'll just click on this particular template I'll be working with. Please pay close attention so you can get this video at the first go. The next thing you want to do is type in where you want your link to appear. Say for instance, I want my link to appear on my form description. So I'll just come here and then just type in, for instance, information link. All right, so on the space where I typed in this link, what I want to do is that I want to insert my link over here, so it is going to be clickable to my respondents. So the first thing I will do is ensure that I highlight the word link, which is where I'll be pasting my link. Now below these words over here are some bold, insert, italics, underline menu, as you can see. So what I want to do is insert a link. So I'll just come to this chain icon over here and click on insert link. Before this, I would have already copied the particular link I want to insert to my Google form. So I'll just head over here and then paste the link I want to work on. As you can see on your screen, the link is pasted. I will hit OK. So over here where I type link, you can see that my link is already automatically on my screen. So I can just click on this link and it will take me to the web page where this link can be found without having to manually type in the link or open another tab for me to search for that particular link. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to add a clickable link to your Google Forms. Until next time, bye for now.